And hello there, Plamo fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest 30 minutes fantasy. We have the Rosan Archer. Yes, so I switched up something. So previously, they always released the liver first, and then the Rosan. So I get to buy the liver guys first and then the Rosen guys later. So, but now I changed it up a bit and I bought the Rosen guy first, which is the Rosen Archer. Of course, the Liber Archer was released earlier. So that's what we can see in the box art. We see the Rosen Archer there with, of course, the Rosen flag here. And off to the side, of course, we can see it's still the same. You have a silhouette. There's a job change in which he becomes the archer. And yeah, since it's the same silhouette being used by the knight, it can be a job changed into the Rosa Knight. Yeah, off to the side. Yes, we see here the Rosen Archer, some information about the 30 minutes fantasy, and let's see what's inside the box by opening it. So first up, we see, I guess, some similar parts, from the Liber Knight to the Liber Priest to the Rosen Knight, and most probably to the Rosen Priest and Liber Archer as well. So these are the parts. So black and green. Here is the some new screws for the Archer and some familiar parts again. And yep, some new screws again. This is for the Archer and some familiar ones for the Silhouette. And some parts that are familiar again for the Silhouette. And oh, this is something new because the bar for the bow is actually metal. And yep, more familiar. Oh, this is a new part and some familiar parts there. And opening up and seeing the instruction manual, we can see here the Rosen Archer. And so there a class up armor for the Rosen Archer? I don't think there is, but what we can say is you can change the class or the job into the knight. And of course, it has a new core, which is the wind element. Okay, let's take a look individually at the screws. Right, first off, we have the usual a sprue here, which is same sprue for knight, both Liber and Rosen, the priest as well, and now for the archer. I think it's just a fighter with a different silhouette. So they contain the same silhouette, but for the Rosen here, so some dark purplish, bluish stone on the armor here, some greens and light green, clear green. We also have the D again, the same sprue from the previous silhouettes. Uh, Same C sprue from the previous silhouettes also. We also have the D1 sprue again, same silhouettes from the Knight and the Priest. Also comes with a D2. And same sprue for the E one here from the previous silhouettes also, and an E2, same from the previous silhouettes. Now, this is some new sprues for just the Archer. We have the G sprue here, which is a sort of purplish gray color. It also has an H sprue, which is purple, and a I sprue here. So the quiver is here, some arrows, the bow is here. So that's the I sprue. I forgot there is actually an F2 and an F3. Again, similar from the previous silhouettes. And you do have a J, which is a part of the archer armor, pure green. Now there is actually one more part that I did not see earlier, but this is like a clear plastic, so I guess this is for the bow, the string of the bow, I guess, or not. I just don't know. And then this metal part is for the bow. Okay, so let's just take a look at the instruction manual. All right, so this is actually not for the bow. The metal part is actually for the arrow, and the part for this one, yeah, the bow, the string of the bow, is actually this part here. Yeah, so this is for the string of the bow, and this is for a piece of the arrow. Right. And there you have it, demo fans and 30-minute mission fans, or 30 MF, 30 minutes fantasy fans. That's what was inside the box of the Rosan Archer. Something of the latest from the 30 minutes fantasy, and I do hope they have another armor up for the archers. Yeah, that's what I hope. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing, liking them, hitting that subscribe button, and until next time, see you and thank you.